Hello and welcome back to Tech Knowledge Hub. Today we're going to discuss about blockchain. Blockchain is a buzzword that often comes up when discussing topics like cryptocurrencies, finance, or technology. But what exactly is it? Imagine a digital notebook that records all transactions or data exchanges across a network. This notebook isn't controlled by a single person but is shared and maintained by a group of people. Each page of this notebook is a block, and the notebook itself is the chain. Once you write something on a page and it's agreed upon, it cannot be changed. So, what exactly is blockchain? At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger. It records data in a way that ensures security, transparency, and immutability. First is decentralized. No single person or entity controls the system. Instead, it's managed by a network of computers. Second is distributed. Every participant in the network has a copy of the entire ledger. Third is immutable. Once data is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Think of blockchain as a Google spreadsheet shared among thousands of computers. Everyone has access to the spreadsheet, and whenever someone adds a new entry, everyone's spreadsheet updates simultaneously. The magic lies in how this update is done securely and without requiring trust in a single party. So, how does blockchain work? First is transaction initiation. Someone wants to send or record data, such as a financial transaction, a supply chain detail, or a digital certificate. Second is verification. The transaction is verified by a network of computers called nodes. They use complex algorithms to ensure the transaction is valid. Third is creating a block. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with others to form a block. This block contains the transaction data, a timestamp, a unique identifier called a cryptographic hash. Fourth is linking to the chain. The new block is added to the existing chain. It links to the previous block through its hash, forming an unbreakable sequence. Fifth is consensus mechanism. All nodes in the network agree on the validity of the new block using protocols like proof of work POW or proof of stake POS. And the last one is distributed updates. The updated blockchain is shared with all nodes, ensuring everyone has the latest version. Key features of blockchain. First is transparency. Every participant can view the entire ledger. This builds trust, especially in industries where accountability is critical. Second is security. Data in the blockchain is encrypted and distributed, making it highly resistant to hacking. Third is immutability. Once a block is added, it cannot be modified without altering every subsequent block, a virtually impossible task for large networks. Fourth is decentralization. There's no single point of failure, as the ledger is maintained across thousands of computers. Fifth is automation with smart contracts. Blockchain can execute predefined conditions automatically. For example, a payment can be released only when a shipment is delivered. Use cases of blockchain. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies, its potential spans multiple industries. First is finance and banking. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular examples. They enable peer to peer transactions without intermediaries. Traditional bank transfers across countries are slow and expensive. Blockchain ensures instant, cost effective transfers. Transactions are transparent and tamper proof, reducing the risk of fraud. Second is supply chain management. Companies can track products from origin to destination. This is particularly useful for verifying authenticity, such as ensuring diamonds are conflict free. Blockchain reduces paperwork and speeds up processes by automating workflows. Third is healthcare. Patient data can be securely stored and accessed only by authorized individuals. Blockchain helps track pharmaceuticals to combat counterfeit medicines. Fourth is real estate. Blockchain simplifies buying and selling by recording property details and ownership histories. Tamper proof records prevent illegal property transactions. Fifth is voting systems. Blockchain ensures votes are accurately recorded and cannot be altered. Voters can verify that their vote was counted without compromising anonymity. Sixth is energy sector. Homeowners with solar panels can sell excess energy directly to neighbors. Blockchain ensures transparency in carbon offsetting programs. Seventh is entertainment and media. Artists can receive payments directly when their work is used without intermediaries. Blockchain can track digital content usage to ensure copyright compliance. So, why blockchain is revolutionary? Blockchain has disrupted traditional systems by addressing key issues. First is eliminating intermediaries. It removes the need for middlemen, reducing costs and time delays. Second is enhancing security. Its decentralized nature makes it extremely difficult for bad actors to alter the data. Third is increasing trust. Transparency ensures that everyone in the network operates on the same truthful ledger. However, blockchain isn't perfect. It faces challenges like scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory uncertainty. Overcoming these hurdles will determine its future impact. Real life examples. First is Bitcoin, the first and most well known application of blockchain. It enables secure, decentralized digital payments. Second is Walmart uses blockchain to track food products across its supply chain, ensuring freshness and safety. Third is IBM Food Trust helps companies like Nestle and Unilever ensure supply chain transparency. Last one is Estonia. The government uses blockchain to provide e-residency and manage digital services securely. Blockchain is more than just a technological trend. It's a paradigm shift. Its ability to create secure, transparent, and tamper proof systems has the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from finance to healthcare. By removing the need for intermediaries and building trust through transparency, blockchain paves the way for a more efficient and equitable future. While challenges remain, the growing adoption of blockchain technology shows that its benefits far outweigh its limitations. Whether it's through cryptocurrencies, supply chain tracking, or secure voting systems, blockchain is already shaping the world we live in, and its journey is just beginning.